Tired of tangled garden hoses and messy storage? Upgrade to a smarter solution. The best retractable hose offers hassle-free watering, automatic rewind, and compact storage, perfect for keeping your yard neat while making garden maintenance easier than ever. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Giraffe Retractable Hose. The Giraffe retractable hose stands out with its impressive 130-foot hybrid hose, allowing users to lock the hose at any length for maximum flexibility. This ensures every corner of your garden can be reached with ease. The auto rewind system is smooth and efficient. After watering, a gentle tug activates a spring-loaded mechanism that neatly pulls the hose back without tangles or kinks. The hose itself is made from a durable, high-grade hybrid material that remains flexible across all weather conditions and has passed rigorous pressure tests up to 600 psi, proving its strength and reliability. Installation is made simple with a 180-degree rotating wall bracket and minimal hardware, and the quick release feature allows for easy removal when needed. The hose reel also includes a 9-pattern spray nozzle offering options like shower, mist, jet, and cone, more suitable for various tasks such as gardening, car washing, or pet bathing. Whether you're working in a small garden or a larger yard, the reach and functionality of the Giraffe retractable hose make it a top-tier choice. The product also includes a 24-month warranty and dedicated customer support, which adds peace of mind. Overall, this hose reel system offers a premium blend of convenience, performance, and durability for everyday home use. Number 2. Ayleid Retractable Hose. The Ayleid retractable hose offers a practical and user-friendly solution for homeowners who want a no-fuss watering system. With a 100-foot hose that locks at any length, users can avoid the usual tangles and excess hose clutter common with traditional reels. One standout feature is its auto rewind mechanism, which slowly and smoothly retracts the hose when pulled gently. No snapping back or tangled messes. The included 180-degree swivel bracket allows the reel to pivot across a wide range, ideal for covering all parts of your yard or garden without repositioning. The package is also well equipped, featuring a wall mount, a 9-function spray nozzle, bolts, and user manual. All components necessary for quick installation and immediate use. The nozzle offers versatile spraying options such as shower, mist, jet, and rinse to handle everything from delicate flowers to heavy-duty cleaning. The build quality is solid, and its compact design makes it perfect for mounting on walls or fences without occupying much space. This retractable hose reel is especially suitable for average-sized homes and gardens, providing convenience, function, and flexibility in one tidy system. Ayleid has struck a great balance between affordability and performance, making this hose reel an attractive choice for daily gardening needs.
Number 3. DRINCOSH Retractable Hose. DRINCOSH's retractable hose is designed for those who value efficiency, durability, and convenience in garden maintenance. Equipped with a 130-foot hose and an innovative locking mechanism, this hose reel allows you to stop and lock the hose at any desired length, making it easier to water large or hard-to-reach areas without dragging excess hose. Its standout feature is the auto rewind system, which has been tested for over 20,000 cycles, proving it can withstand years of use. When done, the hose retracts slowly and safely, eliminating risks of whipping or tangling. The hose and casing are UV and freeze-resistant, designed to endure harsh outdoor conditions year-round. A 180-degree swivel bracket further adds to the flexibility by allowing the hose to reach all areas of your garden with minimal effort. DRINCOSH also includes a 9-pattern spray nozzle for different applications, such as washing, gardening, and pet cleaning. The leak-proof leader hose and brass fittings provide a tight seal and reduce corrosion, offering long-term performance. Additionally, the internal system has been optimized to increase water pressure by 30%, giving you more efficient spraying power. Whether you have a large backyard, patio, or driveway to maintain, the DRINCOSH retractable hose reel ensures durability, full reach, and high pressure for a premium watering experience. Number 4. Glahoden Retractable Hose. For high-efficiency watering on a larger scale, the Glahoden retractable hose delivers premium performance and innovative engineering. Featuring a 100-foot 5/8" hose, it reduces water pressure loss by 35% compared to narrower hoses, saving time and water when covering large areas. The patented dual ratchet locking system US 011319-182B2 offers plus or minus 0.65 feet precision and superior holding power, allowing for exact hose positioning at any point without sag or slack. This feature is particularly helpful for balcony corners and tight garden edges. The industrial-grade alloy spring powering the self-winding system ensures the hose retracts smoothly and safely without whipping while storing 90% faster than traditional reels. Built to endure, the outer shell features UV and freeze-resistant protection, tested to hold up between -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring year-round usability. The reinforced 3-layer PVC hose is capable of withstanding up to 348 psi of burst pressure, making it far more reliable than average residential hoses. Glahoden also integrates a self-aligning zero-friction guide made from self-lubricating nylon, which ensures consistent hose alignment during retraction and prevents jams or kinks. This reel is ideal for homeowners with expansive lawns or gardens who need reliable, high-volume water flow and efficient retractability. Glahoden combines rugged durability, advanced features, and professional-level performance in a single garden tool.
Number 5. NEOTEC Retractable Hose. The NEOTEC Retractable Hose is a rugged industrial-grade solution designed for serious gardeners and homeowners seeking premium quality and power. It features a 130-foot hose with an additional 6.5-foot leader, all constructed from thick 3-layer PVC and ready to withstand extreme outdoor use. With a working pressure capacity of 600 psi, it's built to handle high-pressure tasks without leaks, cracks, or bursts. The auto-retracting system uses slow rewind technology for safe, whip-free retraction with minimal effort. This significantly cuts down on storage time, up to 75% faster than manual reels. The wall mount system installs in just 15 minutes, and the 180-degree swivel bracket ensures wide coverage and adaptability to various mounting surfaces. NEOTEC also includes a 9-pattern professional-grade nozzle with pressure control, letting users easily toggle between modes like fan, jet, mist, and cone for watering, cleaning, or pet washing. The nozzle's sliding pressure switch offers better precision and control than standard twist nozzles. The brass fittings resist corrosion and maintain a leak-proof connection even in extreme weather conditions. Note that the unit is heavy-duty, so it's best secured to a concrete wall rather than a wooden post. NEOTEC's retractable hose reel is ideal for power users, offering speed, control, and durability all in one smartly designed package.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.